Hi everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to fix the paper jam issue on Samsung Xpress M2070W. Let's go. So the first place where the paper can get stuck is the paper tray. Remove your paper stack and try to reach with your hand to the roller and gently remove the paper from inside. Also, you can try to use tweezers if you have some small torn paper pieces. So get the tweezers and remove the paper. Place number 2 is under the scanning unit lid. So you need to gently open the lid completely. And also look for the paper here and also use tweezers for small pieces. Also lift this cover and look for paper somewhere there. Make sure you removed all the paper from here. If you can pull this paper with your hands, better don't use different tools. Also, you can look deeper inside the printer. To do this, you need to put your finger into this hole and gently put up the cartridge slot cover, then open it completely like this until it clicks. Remove your cartridge, just grab the handle and pull the cartridge towards yourself. So put the cartridge aside and look for the paper over here under this roller. Once you removed all the paper from the printer, make sure you removed all the pieces, big ones, small ones. Put the cartridge back, so make sure these tabs are matching with these slots on both sides. So insert the cartridge. Match the slots and glide it down like this and slightly push. Then close this lid, and close the scanning units. Then make sure you have no red indicator on the front panel. In other case, try to look for the paper again. So open the printer once again and remove the remaining paper. After this, you can just load the paper to the paper tray and start printing, scanning, and so on. And if you can't remove the paper from your printer, I don't recommend you to use sharp tools. I don't recommend you to use knives, pins, and so on. It's better for you to go with this printer to the service center. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.